more room than the other, actually. There's more room on this side than this side. Yeah. The only thing with the GoPro is that you don't know if you're taking a good shot or not, right?
Actually, moving is part of taking a good shot. Because you can see the boat, you can see this and that.
Just not really fast.
Yeah.
Dean's down there having a big yawn. Dom's not in yet. You don't have a coach yet. Hold on. Here we go. Push off. Back it down light, please. Let it run. Take my cue from Dom. Paddles up. Take it away. Arms long, 30%. Good job. Can you guys hear me? Yeah. Seat 3, you can hear me? Seat 4, you guys can hear me?
Don't rush. Don't rush, Christine. Christine, don't rush.
Find the pressure at the front, nice and long.
Nice. Long. Strokes. Nice. Long.
Fast, too fast in the front, slow it down. Good job, keep it together, you can do it.
I'll edit this out.
What?
The bad parts.
You haven't said anything bad yet.
No, we're not together. Long. Strokes.
Nice and easy.
Nice. Long.
Pressure on the front.
Strokes.
Push down.
Long. Strokes.
Plant that paddle.
There. Nice. Long. Strokes.
Light and 3 pulls. 2, 1. Light. Pull. 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 Light. Pull. 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 Light. Pull. 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 Light. Pull. 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 Let it run. Nice job, you guys. You were totally together on that one.
Feels different up there, doesn't it?
Totally. I try to make sure I'm saying everything Dom does.
It's good.
Including, did you say?
Yep.
The swearing.
Oh yeah. Take it away, nice and easy. Stay together. Look at your partner. 3 more. 2, 1. Second last one of the day, you guys. You can do it. Let's have a beautiful morning. Aww. I want to say green. Greenish. 5 green. Does that determine how well you do?
No, because that's the race performance. Yeah, this is the white race. I see a number 3.
They're either black or blue.
Okay, so that's a... Watch out for the weight, guys.
Yeah. Including me.
It's a good thing Amanda wasn't here. That's right, Amanda, I said that.
Come on, no hands.
That was on video. Alright, what's our next solo?
What'd you say?
Do I feel for you?
That's a close race. It's a tight race up there. 5:10 start.
5:10.
Thank you.
Those are fighting words.
I know.
Alright, here we go. 5-10.
5-10. Ready? Up. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nicely done, people. Is the teacher voice coming through? We're good?
Not yet. No. Not feeling it.
You're still too nice.
I have less children in my class than there are on the boat.
Not feeling the full anger yet.
Kevin says he wants the bedroom.
Oh, tell us more about that. Forward.
Up.
Sorry. Had to happen.
Let it run.
That is so hot. The teacher, librarian. Yeah, babe. Come on, babe.
Oh.
Back it down.
Back it down, please.
Watch the boy behind us. There's a boy behind us?
No, you're right. No, you're good. How about we back it down together, people? There you go. All together. There we go. Green boy done. Let it run. Did you get wet already, John?
What I do in the start. No, balls deep. Balls deep.
Balls deep? He says balls to the wall.
Balls deep. Another type of race.
I think that's Hell's Bells, isn't it?
Choose the messenger, please. And good morning, everyone.
Beach.
Because of the nice, brilliant sunshine, two things. Here's people. Are you good for listening for a second? All right. So you can see the buoys, like and the colors for basically the first two sets, and then halfway down, what's happening is it's so brilliant that it's going onto the balls, and you can't see the color. So when you are going down, get the drummer to help you, and or don't look down into your boat and then back up. Just get your sight line and go. We've had some detours in the last couple of races, and because of the brilliance of the sun, they're having to shift the finish line camera. So you can either hang out here, go all the way back and hang out onto the dock, or you can go for a nice little tiny loop, whatever you want.
Back it down, nice and
Back
easy.
all the way down and hang out. Go back to like 4 or 5.
Just hang in the middle of the boat.
Hang. All right, guys, keep paddles in.
Guys on the right now on the dock, if you want to go all the way back and just hang out, you can. So you're not drawing and prying. So 1 and 3 if you want to go all the way back.
That's our team for Stratford's a Stern Warning. Yeah. There's 4 teacher teams that I paddle with, and every year we come up with a different name, except for that because the coach's name is Stan. He coaches the same team every year. Well, most of the same people every year. But
I think my
and we have
favorite
that.
all-time
Who were we
one
this
ever,
year?
and I've done lots and lots of these, is, oh my god, ponies. It's hysterical. They're not here this year, but
Remember their last year?
I love that name. I think for you guys that would be pretty, so. No.
Yeah, there's 4 teacher teams that our union does, and we just train for the island race. And then whoever wants to can paddle in Stratford, like, you know, if anyone else is interested. So we usually have 2 boats that go to Stratford. Yep. Yep. Yeah, it's fun. It's a lot of fun. So in that team, there's 2 mixed teams and 2 all women's teams. Yeah, it is the peel board, called the Peelers. And they have 4 teams this year, and I forget what they're. Women hot chicks. And there's women on water.
Alright, here's my dilemma. My dilemma is they need at least 3 more minutes, if not 4. So technically you do have time to go for another little loop if you like, or you can just hang out. A lot of you guys look nice and relaxed here. I can dance. I can do the dance thing, no problem. Let me get my second.
A loop. 30%, nice and easy. Straight arms. Straight, straight, straight.
IBC Mellons, how you doing this morning?
Nice and easy.
Man, they're focused.
Reach. Straight arms.
Woo! Right through.
Pressure at the front. Straight arms. Good job. Stay together. Look at your partner. Together, you guys. C3. Good. Much better. Stretch it out. Bottom shoulder forward. Stretch it out. Nice and long. And don't lose your drummer. Or your coach. That was our little morning loop. Brought to you by Starbucks. Take it away nice and easy. Up. Take it away. Good job, everybody. Let her run. Hold the boat. There's 10 boats out here, at least, and maybe 12. 12 boats. So they're all hovering around here. It's very cool. It'll be a good shot. Back it down. Let her run. it down light. Let it run.
Thanks a lot for your patience, you guys.
Got that? Front three, left and right. Listening to Dom. Hold the boat. You guys got this, okay? Let it run.
All right, so 2, 4, and 6 can start coming up, please.
Focus on Dom, you guys. Get your head in the boat. Front.
Boat holders must have contact. Almost
Stop.
there, 3. 6, you have about a feet and a half left. 4, you have to touch 2 right there. Hold it.
Let it run.
2. Hold, 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 6, hold hard.
Hold hard, guys.
Hold it harder. You're over now by Dragon Head. 5 back, 1 seat. 2 back, seat and a half. 5 back, 1 seat. Hold right there, 6. 5 back, 1 seat. Right there, 2. Come on, 5. Back it. Back it down, 1 seat, 5. Everybody else hold. Okay, right
Hold.
there. Almost hold.
Hold up.
Attention.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. Pull, 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 pull. Good job. Stay together. Stay together. Let's go. You can do it. You're doing great. Pull, 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 pull. Pull, reach, pull, 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 pull. You can do it. Keep going. Good job. Keep going. Pull, 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 reach, pull, 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 reach. Last 100. Let's go. You can do it. Pull this boat. Pull, 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 reach, pull, pull, pull. Come on, you're right there. Move this fucking boat. You're right there. Go, go. Come on. Get him. Get him. Come on. You can do it. You got it. Go. You're almost done. Almost done. Dig deep. Go. Pull. Come on. You can do it. Go. Go. You're almost there. You got it. You got it. You got it. Pull hard. 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 Pull. Pull. You can do it. Couple more. Let her run. Woo! Nicely done. I only swore once. I only think Dom swore once too. Awesome job, you guys. Awesome job. You were right there. Nicely done, everybody. One or two? It was close. Yeah? Maybe third, Dom thinks. You were right beside these guys. They were way ahead of you and you caught up. Up. Take it away. You caught up well after the beginning. You had a rocky beginning. You kind of had a little clutter there. There was a few clangs in the paddle. It was like, what happened there? Hold the boat. Draw us in, please. Don't lose me now. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to be swimming in that. Thank you. Yeah, was it good?
Want you back.
Now I know how Dom's throat feels.
Rebecca, do we have a bedroom voice? Guys coming requested.
I got something to say, but that's PG, isn't it?
I was gonna say, wait till we turn off the camera.